Introduction to Debugging with Print Statements.
Print statements are one of the simplest and most effective tools for debugging code. By displaying values and messages during program execution, you can observe the inner workings of your code and quickly identify mistakes or unexpected behaviors. Mastering print debugging helps you understand your code's flow and locate errors more efficiently.
Choosing what and where to print.
For effective debugging, it's important to print meaningful information and place print statements strategically. Focus on printing variable values before and after key operations, inside loops, and at major decision points. This allows you to trace the program's execution path step by step and spot where things go wrong.
Formatting print statements for clarity.
Well-formatted print statements make debugging much easier. Use clear labels and include relevant variable names and values. For example, instead of just printing a value, use a statement like "total price is," followed by the variable. This helps distinguish between different outputs, especially when working with multiple print statements.
Removing or commenting debug prints.
Once you identify and fix the bug, don't forget to remove or comment out unnecessary print statements. Leaving stray debug prints in your code can clutter your output and make it harder to read. Clean code is easier to maintain and less confusing for others who may work with your code in the future.
Limitations and best practices.
While print statements are excellent for simple debugging, they have limitations with larger or more complex code bases. Too many prints can overwhelm the output, making it hard to track important information. For advanced debugging, consider using a dedicated debugger, logging libraries, or integrated development tools for greater control and efficiency.